How to update YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate to Google Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap on search icon at bottom right. Tap search bar at top of your screen and type in YouTube. Tap search icon on your keyboard at bottom right corner and find out YouTube application. If you see update button, tap update. So depending on your internet connection and the storage, it will take us few time to update YouTube application to the latest version. Updating your application helps to free different kinds of cache and the box, and then you can enjoy the latest features available on your YouTube as well. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.